Alright, so we're here to do another trick of the trade just to give you some advice and understanding how to prevent your microwave from overheating or the control board eventually malfunctioning. So what happens is I have a hot pot of water on the stove boiling at this point, and what happens is the steam and the moisture rises and it affects your microwave. So it can cause your microwave to overheat. It can cause your control panel or touchpad or the control board to malfunction. So the best thing to do right now is to turn on the exhaust fan. I'm gonna do that right now with my video here, so hopefully it doesn't go crazy. So I have it on low. So right now I have it on low, and what that does, it allows your microwave to not overheat. Right, so your microwave has a thermostat on the inside of it, and what happens with the thermostat, it's rated for a certain temperature. So your microwave exhaust fan can come on because of the hotness from your cooking underneath of it, and it turns it on automatically. Once that happens, you will lose all function of the exhaust fan. That fan would not shut off until the microwave has cooled down. But in order for that portion of it to work, of course, it has to get to that particular temperature. If not, then you can cause your microwave to malfunction. So what you can do, like I said, turn the exhaust fan on. You can put it on low. Every time that you actually starts to cook or heat something up on the stove, you want to make sure you do that because that helps your microwave and prolong it to last a lot better. All right, and not to overheat. All right, peace.